Death makes no distinction between old and young. When death has to come, it comes. We are helpless in front of death. Death is nothing but a reminder that life shouldn't be taken very seriously. Everything that you create in this lifetime, your wealth, fame, power, the personality and the characters that you have made for yourself will all be taken away by death. If there is something that death cannot destroy, then that is the part of you which is found during meditation. During meditation, you find a part of you that cannot be destroyed by death. Everything of yours that you think belongs to you will be taken away from you after death. If your parents have died, do not worry, they are in a much better place now. Doesn't matter if they were 55 or 95. Somebody's dream is longer, somebody's dream is shorter. It doesn't matter. A dream is just a dream. In the end of it, it doesn't matter how long your dream was. And this life is just like a dream. Death is like waking up in the morning, and this whole night, this whole dream makes no sense. When someone close to you dies, do not waste a lot of time in grief and crying. Instead, look at the message this death is trying to give you. When somebody like a mother or a father dies, something in you also dies. A father or a mother is not only on the outside, their being overlaps your being. You will never be the same again. A father or a mother can never be replaced. There will always be a gap now. There will be some grief in the beginning, but do not make this grief a part of you now. Do not spend a lot of time crying. Instead, look at death in the eye. Look at what message this death has brought for you. For example, now if your father has died, what can you do about it? Death has already happened. You cannot undo it. All this crying and all this grief will not help you in any way. Grief in the beginning is alright, but do not make this sadness a part of you. Instead, look at this death and try to understand the mystery of it. You will understand that death is inevitable. Death has to happen. Death is a universal fact. Everybody is included in it. And you will not only understand the mystery of death, but also of life, because life brings death. Understanding death is very important to live a beautiful and meaningful life. You spend so much of time during your lifetime collecting things that will go anyways. Why don't you spend some time trying to understand that part of you that will never die, that part of you which is eternal, that part of you which is beautiful. And that part of you can only be found during meditation. Meditation cannot be destroyed by death. Everything else can be destroyed except for this. All your wealth, power, fame, everything will be taken away from you except for this part of you. The personalities that you have created for yourself, the character that you have created for yourself will all be taken away. All these masks that you wear to put out an act in society will be taken away from you, except for this part of you that is found during meditation. So if you try so hard developing all of these things in your lifetime, why don't you spend a little time in understanding your true self, that self which will not be destroyed by death? Everything is vulnerable to death except for meditation. The deeper you go inwards, the further you go away from death. The deeper you move outwards, the further you move towards death. There is no death when you understand meditation. Only the body dies. Only this mind, these thoughts die. What is left after the death of your body is the part of you that you find during meditation, is your true self, which is eternal and beautiful. Take a glimpse into that part of you by meditating. Ordinarily, nobody thinks about death, but when the death of a close one happens, that is when you come face to face with death. Do not let this opportunity leave. Use this opportunity to understand death. It is very important. When the death of a loved one happens, do not spend a lot of time in sadness and grief. A little grief is all right in the beginning, and then you have a wound which is fresh, and before this wound heals, use this wound as a message to the beyond. When someone close to you dies, in the beginning, if there is grief, it is understood. Cry as much as you want to, but then use this wound to understand the message of the beyond. Otherwise, a human being never talks about death. Death is very taboo. But when the death of a loved one happens, you are then brought face to face with death. And this death brings a message with it. Understand this message and do not get lost in emotions. In the beginning, there will be emotions, but then do not get washed away with it. Understand the meaning of this death. Understand the greatness of this message. In understanding what death is, there will be no pain again by the death of anybody else or the death of that loved one which caused so much of suffering.